Hi, Richard here. I've got something awesome for you maths teachers, and it's free. And it's to do with the teaching of the solving of equations. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that I'm going to be telling you to stop using your method for solving equations and to start using mine. No, I'm not. Why? Because you use the best method going around. You know that. That's why you use it. So why would I tell you to stop using it? Now, what I've got is an approach, a pedagogy through which you can teach your method for solving equations, but to gain more success, to have your students wildly enthusiastic. Now, okay, if you've got students who are not yet ready to be wildly enthusiastic about maths, they'll certainly be more engaged than normal. It's called the NeedLevelsChoice Approach. So what about this? What if you were to start your unit of solving equations and from the get-go you had students who were really enthusiastic and they were understanding everything that's going on, they're getting success after success. And here's the clincher, at some point in that first lesson you have students begging you for your method for solving equations. Please, Mr. Andrew, show us your method for solving equations. We need it. I know it sounds wacky, but that's what happens, and you should expect it to happen, otherwise you're not doing it right. And it's the opposite to what normally happens, isn't it? Normally we teach our method using the easier equations first, and the students fight us on it. They don't want to use that method, they want to use their own method. Or they sort of follow our method, but sort of not. So by the time they get to the difficult questions, step 3, 4 questions, they don't get the right answers, and then they switch off, and then they disengage, and then they decide that they're no good at solving equations and algebra sucks. Which is the opposite to what should happen. We should have them, they should be loving solving equations because it's like solving puzzles. So, NeedLevelsChoice Approach. There's a tutorial, click the link, you sign up for it, and then work your way through the tutorial. It'll take you 15 to 20 minutes. There's a couple of videos in there, but don't cherry pick. Don't skim read it. Don't just take the best bits. You need to implement this as described in the tutorial. Have fun with it. The first time I used this, I couldn't believe the difference between what I'd been doing for years and what this approach provides in terms of engagement and understanding. It's fantastic. So check it out. Let us know what you think. Trial it with your students. Tell us how you get on and have fun. And that's it. Thanks for watching.